What's going on, guys? It's November 19th, 2025. We had a training range day today. I want to give a quick shout out to all the new members and subscribers. I appreciate you guys tuning in, and I like the questions and comments you guys are dropping. We're going to do a 10-minute breakdown of the E-mini. We talk about trap traders, second legs, and market context. Today was an interesting day because it was ultimately a training range, but a rally that didn't sustain itself. I got trapped. And then a bear channel that shows the full market cycle. The way we see the market cycle, each part of the market cycle, breakout, channel, and chain range traps a different type of trader. And then we understand where those trap traders are. That's where we place our orders, or we get long or short with the momentum and hope to make a small profit or maybe a big swing or whatever you guys do. I've been scalping futures and swinging options. Like I said earlier, I got trapped. I saw this rally. It actually bought bar 2. I usually don't trade this early in the day, but I was basing it off being at the low of this channel and then getting a second leg. So I bought bar 2 and I exited on the close of this bar. So that was pretty nice. Made about 350. And then I bought up here and I bought a little more down here, thinking that we'd stay above the EMA. So this kind of price action but above the EMA, but instead it sold off and contracts got crushed. And then I actually made some back right here, so it wasn't as big, the loss wasn't as big as it could have been. But yeah, that was the day, minus 250. And let's go over the weekly chart and daily chart. I was just taking a small peek at it before this video started. And what's the first principles? First principles are the market's either breaking out or reversing. We've been breaking out and now we're starting to reverse at the tails. So this last week's bar is a trading range. So sellers above and buyers below. As breakout traders, we're looking to sell low and sell lower. You could short up here and then front run the breakout, but that's completely different. We're looking for that second leg. So leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, a couple places to get short. Daily chart shows that a lot better. Leg 1, pull back leg 2. So what I thought was interesting about the daily chart is right here, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bear bars in a row. So shot to get a second leg. See how bears are, well, that's what makes this interesting, because is this entire structure going to get a second leg, or are these 4 bars down going to get a second leg? But also, leg 1, pull back leg 2, second leg trap in trading range, that's common. Or you can count legs, leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. And this is the start to a reversal, because this is small. Actually, let's see if this is an inside bar. This bar is high. So I'm reading these numbers at the corner right here, wherever my mouse hovers over. This bar's high is 0,150. There's, oh wait, and 0,150, 0,150. So not a traditional inside bar, but there's a double top here, and this is above that low. So it's a type of inside bar, and it's getting a breakout. Inside bars sometimes get retested. So we'll see what happens if this breakout, we can just leave the line. I don't really want to leave that line there. But you know what, just for the sake of this video, let's just see. I really don't want to leave the line there. I don't like it on the daily chart. Okay, whatever. So I'll figure that out some other time. You guys get the idea. We're just going to check if that's going to get retested. Breakout, pull back, leg 2. Could be an overall second leg trap. It's very second leg trap. So I said this was a second leg trap, and now what I just murmured was this could be a second leg trap as well, and it sells off. But we'll see what happens. Trading behavior. So bar 1, small tail, sells off and reverses, trapping bears. Also yesterday we were in a channel, so that's why I took a trade pretty early in the day, because I was betting on this channel right around the lowish, kind of there, gapped up, and I bought bar 2. Nice buy the close rally. Problem with this trade is that there are no pullbacks, so more traders can't get involved, and the pullback that did come in ended up trapping us. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, we have about 9, 10 bars with bullish direction, and then there's no place for limit order traders to get in. Like, no previous lows broken, so limit order traders, you don't want to catch the trend line break, boom, and it's a buy the close rally. Not a lot of traders is what I'm trying to get at. Ends up selling off. We get to the high of the channel. I guess this, you could say that's the high. I was looking at this as the high. Trading on my phone. This is kind of what I don't really trade big structures like this, but what I was looking at was this leg one, deep pullback leg two, and it just so happened to line up with a trend line. So I don't actually trade like that. It's something I noticed. I wanted you guys to see it. But the main reason I took this was because of the leg one, pullback leg two, which is an overall third leg one, pullback two, pullback leg three. So wedge top. Someone pointed this out in Discord, which I don't think he's wrong at all. Bear flag with a wedge top, and it's kind of breaking out, but we're at the low of the channel now, so it's a tough spot. Trailing range behavior. Let's speed this up. So we have the buy the close rally up to bar 10. Then the top of the bull channel is also the start of the bear channel. So this bull channel ends at the high of 10. Or you could even say the high of 9 because it's a trend line break, but it kept going. First trend line break is a good scalp. This bear channel starts up here and it sells all the way off to 18. Bar 19 is the inside bar. Gets a bearish breakout and it gets retested on 23. So now we have a big up, big down, trade range behavior. This leg shot to get second leg down, and it does right here on bar 20. Bar 19 is the first pullback, so you can try and short this. You can short the close. You really wouldn't get filled if you shorted the high of 19. It sold off so fast. So yeah, leg one, pullback leg two, but there's so much momentum. This is getting a bigger leg two, and overall leg one, pullback leg two. Kind of a trend range behavior here, but it still gets to break out. And this second leg comes in the form of multiple legs. Leg one, pullback, leg two. Leg one, trend line break 23, pullback, leg two, pullback, leg three. Then this breaks out of the trade range, but then reverses back into the trade range from the rest of the day. We can count the bullish legs, so the reversal is part of first principles. Here we have 38, 37, and 38 selling off, and then we have 39, not closing above the 38, 37 high, but it does rally above. It's a form of a 3-bar reversal, and then it gets a breakout. Bad follow through 40, breaks out 41. Again, bad follow through all the way through all the bull bars. No two. Let's see. Bull, bear, bull, bear, bull, bear, bull, bear. So only 2 bars bulls got in a row is 49.50, and then 53 and 54, and that was already at the end of the push up. Leg one, pullback, leg two, pullback, leg three. Trailing range behavior gets the breakout. Ends up being a lower high. It starts to rally, leg one, pullback, leg two. And this second leg also got its own 3 legs, leg one, pullback, leg two, pullback, leg three. So you could buy the EMA, you could fade bar 66 for a quick scalp back to the high with a 1R stop, and you can see it worked. Even if you bought bar 72, you would make 1R on 74. I think that's a hard buy because it's right under resistance after a big climactic move. But you guys get the idea, second leg work. Alright guys, thank you for your time. Tomorrow's Thursday and Friday, so let's finish the week off strong. Thank you for your time, everyone. Talk to you later. Bye.